BlueJ editor for Java program, for writing Java program. So I'll open it. It is actually the original BlueJ version 3.1.5, supported by Oracle University of Kent. So this is official editor. Yeah guys, it is now open. This is the main screen of BlueJ. Now you click on new class. Okay guys, after it will ask for class name, so you write class name as code. After that, click on enter. After that, double click it, it will open the editor. Now maximize it. Now remove all these things. Backspace. So now we'll start writing our program. So congratulations guys, you finished writing a program. Now what you need to do is compile it correctly so no errors should come actually. So I'll just compile it. Yeah guys, I have compiled, class compiled, no syntax errors. Now put it over here. You can see this is has been created test leap year. So guys, click on it, click on word min string yes. Now click on OK. You can see the terminal window. Woohoo! Now it will ask for entering the 4-digit year. Suppose 2003. Yeah guys, year 2003 is not a leap year. Again I will test. You can enter 4-digit year. So I will take 2004. Yeah, year 2004 is a leap year. So in this way, guys, you can do many Java programs. So further, if you need more Java solutions, please subscribe our channel, like